everyone, welcome back to Sana Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I hope ukuthi nibonile le video eka Makhwela kanye ke noMusa ke Mseleko. Ba uMusa Mseleko bakithi kuthina kuMakhwela umfana nkosiyami. Abantu babuza ukuthi hayibo ngempela uMakhwela isibindi sokubiza ke ba uMseleko ngomfana usithathapi. But ke guys kuyena nkosami uboyfriend wakhe, uhusband wakhe bayathandana, so they are in the same age. So guys, asikho isidingo sokuthi angambizi ngegama afuna ke okumbiza ngalo. Anyway, abantu they were commenting like they bebuza ukuthi hayibo nkosami umamezala kaTirelo njalo lo, hayibo lo khuluma ngawo uthi umfana ubaba kaSme, uyabona nje guys. So yeah guys, she wanted to do a challenge bathi ke I-water nyash laba suke bengathi bathwika khona. So ke umbaba uMseleko kwathi hayi cha ungayenza khona kodwa ngeke uzoshuthwe yimina inkosi yami. So guys, yeah asazi bakithi ukuthi ke siyoyibona ke isizini entsha ke sibone ukuthi kahlehle kwenzekalani lapha na ke kwaMseleko guys. Anyway guys, I love them together. I'm so very happy they are still together, and yeah bakhulisa ingane ngazuthi ke bayithi bangathwana ezinye ingane. But uMseleko kade ufuna ingane eziningi aphi inkosi yami, kusho ukuthi nje kufanele ngempela bajahe lokwa ngempela. I'm joking guys, but anyway, do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.